Hello there. How's it going? I am Pavneet, an English and IELTS trainer, and this is my channel Pavneet's Learn Station. We have been practicing color idioms for a while now, but why? There are two reasons. First, they are fun. While reading about maybe your favorite color, you end up learning new expression. And secondly, they show your advanced learning of language. How? Okay, let me explain. Let's take an idiom, blue collar. Now, if we don't use the idiom, the expression will be people working on manual jobs and physical work outside the office have to toil hard to earn. And for the same expression, if we use idiom, it would be something like blue collared workers have to toil hard to earn. Now you see the difference? So you must have noticed that the expression becomes crisp and shows that you know the language you are speaking. So it definitely will add to your scores also if that is your purpose. Okay, so now let's move ahead to enhance our knowledge further, and today's color that I've chosen is grey. So the idioms are grey collar, grey area, all cats are grey at night, to give one grey hair, grey matter, grey power, grey dollar or pound, grey cardinal, grey market, and grey mood. So now we'll talk about these idioms one by one. I will explain the meanings of these idioms in Hindi, and then I will use two sentences to explain their usage. In one sentence, I will use the idiom, and in the other sentence, I will just explain the whole expression without the idioms so that you could realize the difference. So let's get started. The first idiom is grey collar. It refers to the employees not classified under white or blue collar. ये उन एम्प्लॉयज़ को रेफर करता है जो वाइट या ब्लू कॉलर जॉब्स में क्लासिफाई नहीं किए जा सकते. Police officers and emergency medical services personnel come under the job category of grey collar jobs. Police officers and emergency medical services personnel come under the job category which is neither blue collared nor white. The second one is grey area. It refers to something that is unclear or undefined. ये रेफर करता है उस चीज को जो कि स्पष्ट नहीं है या अपरिभाषित है. Whether we should use technology for education is a grey area as it could be having both positives and negatives. Whether we should use technology for education is actually unclear and rather debatable as it could be having both positives and negatives. The next idiom is all cats are grey at night. It means things are indistinguishable in the dark, so appearances don't matter. क्योंकि अंधेरे में चीज़ों में फ़र्क नहीं पता चलता, इसलिए दिखावट से कुछ नहीं होता. You shouldn't bother so much about your looks in the party. All cats are grey at night. You shouldn't bother so much about your looks in the party. Everyone is going to seem similarly equipped for the occasion, so it wouldn't matter. The next one is to give someone grey hair. That is to cause one to experience negative or undesired physical effects by making them exceedingly stressed or worried. किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान या चिंतित करवाकर बुरे या अवांछित शारीरिक असर महसूस करवाना. The absence of food for even a single meal is enough to give poor grey hair. The absence of food for even a single meal is enough for poor to experience those physical effects which cause them worry. Now, the next one is grey matter. Grey matter means brain, intellect or a person's intelligence. किसी इंसान की बुद्धिमत्ता या बुद्धिमानी. You should rely on your grey matter rather than on social media news. Without idiom, it will be you should rely on your own intelligence rather than on social media news. The next one is grey power. Grey power means the collective influence of old people on social, political, and financial activities. सोशल, पॉलिटिकल और फाइनेंशियल गतिविधियों में बुजुर्ग लोगों का साझा प्रभाव. So the usage of idiom will be something like this. Do not underestimate the great power. It has created history in the social system many times. And without the usage of idiom, it will be, do not underestimate the collective influence of older people on social activities. It has created history in the social system many times. The next idiom is grey dollar, if we are using this idiom in US, or grey pound if we are using the same in UK. It means the money that is available with old people as a group to spend in an economy. एक समूह की तरह किसी भी इकोनॉमी में खर्चने के लिए उपलब्ध पैसा जो बुजुर्गों के पास होता है. अब अगर हम इडियम को नहीं यूज करें तो द एक्सप्रेशन विल बी, द मनी दैट इज बीइंग इन्वेस्टेड बाय ओल्डर फोक्स हैज सेव्ड economy so many times but youth are unable to realize. And with the usage of idiom, the same expression will be, the grey dollar has saved economy so many times but youth are unable to realize. The next idiom is grey cardinal. It means a person who exerts power behind the scenes without drawing attention to himself or herself. वह इंसान जो कि अपनी तरफ ध्यान आकर्षित किए बिना अपनी शक्ति का प्रदर्शन करता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, विदाउट यूसेज ऑफ इडियम, द एक्सप्रेशन इज, all the circumstances point that he is the man behind the scene influencing the turn of events. And now the same expression with idiom, all the circumstances point him to be the grey cardinal. The second last idiom is grey market. In commerce, it is a system which involves secret and cheap but not illegal sales of goods otherwise available at excessive price. कॉमर्स में एक ऐसा सिस्टम जो इलीगल नहीं होता लेकिन वो चीज़ें जो अदरवाइज एक्सेसिव रेट्स पे मिलती हैं वो वहाँ पे सीक्रेटली और चीपली बेची जाती हैं. सो द एक्सप्रेशन विदाउट इडियम फॉर द सेम विल बी, he got the diamond at a throwaway price as it was bought from that market where costly things are sold secretly at cheaper rate. And the same expression with the usage of the idiom grey market will be, he got the diamond at a throwaway price as it was bought from the grey market. And now we are moving on to the last idiom of the day, which is grey mood. So meaning of grey mood is feeling of gloominess, यानी कि उदासी का महसूस होना. So again, moving with the same format, the first expression is, he is feeling sad and gloomy after his breakup. And now we'll use the idiom over here, he is in grey mood after his breakup. So guys, that's all what I had to describe today, and I would like to add here that any idioms that I have described till today, be it red color or grey color, etc., are not exhaustive. It is just an endeavor for you to start looking in that direction and learn more. So in my perception, you should have liked the video. So let's prove it by pressing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and also by pressing the bell icon. Till next time, bye.